levantar unas partes de un McLaren. Vamos a echar todas aquí a ver si caben. Si no, vamos a dar 2 vueltas. No, vamos a quedar de Woodlands. No sé cómo se llama el lugar. No tengo una dirección. Estamos aquí. 23-19. Aquí 23-19. Sí. Vamos a ver. Vamos a ver cómo quedó. Un buen Boeing. ¿Qué tomas tú, güey? De plátano, güey, no mames.
¿Por qué estás? Mi favorito.
Dijo G. Es H. G. GPS está bien pendejo. Pero pues es que aquí me marca la dirección. Ese es el número. ¿Cuál dijo G? ¿Es eso, no?
Oh yeah, we found it. Whoa. It's the wrong place.
¿Ya? ¿Cuál es?
Let's go.
¿Cuál es?
It's not this place.
Pero no te dijo cuál es.
He said down 2. Where you going?
¿Cuál?
Where you going?
Oh, güey, no te dijo G.
Huh? Yeah. With the V6.
Confused will come off, but obviously. Second bumper does not go. Everything else goes as blue.
So that one needs to take out the carbon fiber?
Yeah, see it unbolts. You got when you paint it, you'll want it off.
Yeah, I need to take it off, yeah.
Damn, all the parts for the McLaren is in here?
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, there's 2.
That one doesn't. You don't need that one.
This one looks like the Senna. Nah, it's like.
It's wild. Here's the rear fenders. Which these bitches.
Okay, I think it's come back. It's twice.
Two trips.
Yeah,
I
2 trips.
figure it could be hard to get it all.
I forgot, but the McLaren Senna, that one kind of has the same front end, doesn't it?
It's
Just a slight.
similar, but slightly different. But now, because this is like the whole wide body, it's definitely like it's crazy. This is lower doors. Everything left on the car is the top half of the door that you'll be painting.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do tomorrow, I'll get the
I'm
whole
close.
exhaust
Don't worry
on.
about it. I'm close. I'm here in Cameroon.
Okay.
So don't worry.
So what I'm gonna do is here. Let me come show you real quick.
Yeah.
The car, just to show you the only piece on the car that's got to be painted that's not coming off.
Okay.
Is the doors right here. See
All
the
right.
bottom's missing, that's that section there. But you guys will need the car because you got to paint the door and the mirror on both sides.
Yeah.
So what I'll do is I'll have the full exhaust on by end of tomorrow. If not, worst case Saturday morning, I'll have the car transported to you because I know there's a lot of flake in that paint. So I figured you're going to want to have it all together, like all the pieces at once to paint.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
the metallic is
Yeah.
pretty consistent.
So you taking off the doors
I wasn't going to.
and the mirrors, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because you told me everything is in parts, so
Do you want me to take the doors off or?
that's better.
It's
you know?
easier if I take the door
Yeah,
off and just
that's-
bring you the door?
Yes, that's better. I mean, I don't need the car, you know.
Okay. Well, tomorrow, worst case Saturday, I'll get the doors off and you guys come grab it and then that's
Yeah.
it. You got every piece.
Yeah, absolutely. That's better because I mean,
It's gonna be badass. He said you're the man when it comes to painting.
Oh, yeah, big
I'm
time.
working good. You know, I like it. The real good details.
For my schedule, how long are you gonna, you think,
For
have
that
it
one is probably by next week,
done next week?
probably. Yeah, I need the detail real good. You know, I need to check.
Oh, yeah, I
you don't
know,
have
that's a
nothing
lot.
cracked. I need to check everything before.
Hopefully it's prepped pretty good so there's not too much prep work on your end, but I know there's always some.
Yeah, exactly.
Always.
Because it's fiberglass. You know, you don't know.
It's carbon, actually.
Carbon, yeah.
So, but still, you know how that weave is and everything. It can be little waves and then whatever.
Exactly.
You might have to get it prepped.
I mean, he told me he wanted for the SEMA, but I said no, impossible. I can't.
I wanted it for SEMA, but
Yeah, I can't.
because I was working like a madman to get it apart so we could get it get it there, you know, because it'd be the only one there like this.
I mean, what type of wide body kit is it?
It's complete carbon fiber. I mean, that kit comes with every panel but the top half of the door. Every single thing. So now it's like, I'm trying to think, it's something like 8 inches wider in the rear.
8 inch?
Like almost 4 inches wider in the front. It's totally different. Totally. It's going to be badass.
Sadly, it's not going to make it to SEMA. It's like a time.
Well,
we
I
got
was
like
asking him, to make it to SEMA, do you want to just wrap all the panels, put the car together, and then after SEMA, send it to be painted?
Yeah.
That was one of my ideas, because obviously a wrap guy can finish in 3 days. Especially all apart.
I'm telling you, I can't warrant it to take it to SEMA right now because it's...
Well, it'd probably it would be one of those finished by next Sunday, and then straight on a truck that's going direct. That would be the only way.
Yeah, right.
You know, but you're gonna need the full week just for painting.
Yeah.
I'm going to 1st November.
Yeah.
You go?
Well, I was going for this, but I guess I'll still go.
I'm gonna try.
You do your best, whatever you need, bro. I've been working till 11 or 12 every night, starting at 7. I'm down if it can happen. If it can, it can't. But
yeah,
if you need help, I'll come there.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Whatever.
You know? I'll put in a lot of people to.
Awesome. Well, let's like I said, I'll get doors off for tomorrow, so you got them, so you can kind of prep everything together.
And take the mirrors, please, because the mirrors you need to take care of the parts.
Well, to be honest, I think I can take the mirror. The doors, that top part is just a skin. I don't even have to pull the frame off. It unbolts from the inside like the lower piece did. So I might just pull the skins of the doors off with the mirrors and bring them to you like that. It'd be easier for you than having a whole heavy door, because these doors have the glass in it, because it comes up to the middle. So let me get the skin off, bring that to you, and then we'll...
Okay, sounds good.
We'll do everything we can do, brother.
All right, man.
For some reason, this one was already off. This side was already off, but you can tell where this goes, obviously.
Kind of like the side diffuser or something like that?
Yeah, just check that one there. It looks like we're missing the blades. This
is part of the wide body kit.
Yes, I'm missing these vents. But that's supposed to be there. So I'm gonna need to take a picture of that. Let me get my phone real quick. I'll take a picture of that.
Come back from the bumpers right now because
Do you have room for any more small pieces?
Yeah, small pieces, yes.
Well, let me know. I got the front fenders right here. So these are badass because you know the 765 has the vents. This was actually all like wind tested, everything. And so this is like if you see on the Formula 1 cars, they do this like honeycomb style. The way the airflow works and everything else, it's pretty badass. But to incorporate in this car, it's pretty cool for a street car to have the same kind of technology.
Vamos a dejar ahorita todas estas partes, corpanos, lo de abajo. Regresamos por bumper, hood y mañana nos llevan las puertas. Vamos a darle duro. Ahorita voy a tener una junta con todos. Necesitamos darle a ver si logramos tenérselo para cima. Vamos a bajar todas las partes aquí. Mercedes, McLaren. Aquí de este lado. ¿Qué lado es este? Es este lado. Sí, porque no se mató.
¿Es plastic?
No, es carbon fiber.
Are you sure? That's not carbon
fiber. Look, you see
it is. Oh, okay.
¿No va a ser este color?
Pero,
I like that color.
yeah, I like it.
Like a bad
So, I'll be back.
More pieces?
Ya, el hood, el bumper. Y mañana me van a traer las puertas. So, ahorita voy a empezar a detallar todo eso. Voy a desarmar todo lo que son las partes de carro hardware. Estas, aquí las voy a desarmar. Esta es porque, para que le entre bien la pintura por dentro. Y luego otra vez se la vuelvo a ensamblar. So, lo vamos a hacer. Este carro
Where's your Lambo?
es de show. Lambo es over there. Ey, sácalo al sol, güey. El Lambo. Ya regresó mi carro de regreso. ¿Es 550, ¿verdad? Ya. Vámonos. Let's go. Venimos a traer las partes que nos faltan, es el bumper, los dos bumpers y el hood. Creo que eso es todo. Eso es todo. The mechanic, I'm working in the paint because that car I need to take it to SEMA. And the exhaust, I think, hacer el exhaust system, todas las pipas te las enseñó, güey. Todo lo que son los mufflers, todo el exhaust system y no sé qué le está modificando ahí. No le pregunté la verdad, pero yo le voy a avanzar todo lo que es la pintura. Pintamos todo, se lo llevamos allá y él lo va a armar, él va a armar todo. Nosotros vamos a armar lo que vamos a desarmar aquí solamente. ¿Qué dije? No me entendiste, pero ok.
You understand them?
No. Isn't it gonna be hard to color match the car with the not here?
No, not really. I think it's the whole thing. It's the whole thing all the way around.
Oh, okay.
Dime, porque sin el código pues está cabrón. Entonces si me consigues el código, yo mañana mismo empiezo a hacer el pinche código de volada. Ya estamos trabajando en eso ahorita. Ahorita me puse de acuerdo con otro chavo, buenísima onda. Pues vamos a tratar de tenerle las partes el miércoles. O sea, a lo mejor si se hace para cima. Por eso te dije, échame la mano con la pintura rápido, porque ahorita vamos a desarmar todo lo que es la fibra de carbón. Es que es un carro nuevo. Lo que vamos a hacer Germán, tú, el Shane y yo en esta madre, nada más, nadie más va a tocar esto. Ok, vamos a quitarle las partes estas de fibra, las vamos a restaurar porque tiene un poco de rayones, a restaurarlas bien, a ponerlas otra vez de regreso. Vamos a revisarla otra vez conectado, le vamos a quitar el color y luego a volver a armar todo esto. Unas piezas vienen pegadas, hay que quitarlas con mucho cuidado. Vamos a quitarlas con mucho cuidado. Pero todas las piezas las vamos a separar porque este color lleva un perla. Entonces es el color en rojo y aparte lleva una perla encima y luego el clear. Para que en el sol se vea el tono anaranjado y la perla es como doradita. Todas estas piececitas vienen pegadas. O sea, hay que ver de la forma de cómo con las esas que tenemos de plástico, güey. Y las cuñitas esas de metal. Te pegas toda la orilla y a despegarla. Nomás es una orillita que está agarrando. Y volverle a poner ese mismo pegamento atrás, ya que esté ya terminado. ¿Sí? Nos vamos a enfocar en esta madre lo más rápido que se pueda, pero perfecto. Vamos a ver que no tenga ninguna quebradura, detalle. Esas hay que arreglarlas antes de. ¿Ok? Son finitas, ¿no? Son puras 600, puras 600.
Le avisaron a Michelle antes de.
No, es que esto hay que hacerlo aquí. Quitar todo esto.
Eso no va a tener.
Plástico es raro. No, es paint protection. En este white body es de un McLaren 720. Solo vamos a pintar, le vamos a cambiar el tono. Todo va a ser rojo, un color especial. Entonces ahorita estamos aquí con este equipo. Vamos a hacer solamente quitar todas las piezas para que quede limpio y quede original todo original, porque así viene original, o sea, los quitaron y luego lo volvieron a poner. Hay que ver qué es lo que tenemos que hacer, aquí nos vamos a meter en un detalle perfecto. Ese es paint protection, entonces se lo vamos a quitar para volver a restaurar y sacarle el brillo, que quede bien brilloso el carbon fiber. Se va a quedar chido. Sigan viendo porque quiero que vean ahorita el principio en este video y después vamos a hacer el final de todo, ya que quede pintado y ya que quede armado, porque este se va a un show. Vamos a tratar de terminárselos para que se vaya al show de SEMA. Vamos a echar todos los kilos, ya estamos bien cerquita, pero de modo. Si vamos a trabajar tarde, Chucho dice que trabaja hasta las 24 horas, no hay pedo.
24/7.
So, no hay pedo, vamos a darle con todo. Son pocas piezas. Allá en aquel hood le vamos a hacer el tono rojo. Esa línea va a ser roja. Nada más. ¿Qué es, güey?
¿Qué onda?
Me acaban de llegar los redes. Estos rines acaban de aterrizar y son para la Baby Duty.
Oh, the ones you were talking about?
Yeah, look. Mira nomás, mira nomás. Mira nomás. Qué chulada.
Whoa!
Qué chulada, mira nomás.
Damn.
Mira nomás.
I can't imagine what the other ones in the back look like. It probably has a big lip, doesn't it?
Ya, mira.
Damn.
Estos son los de enfrente y ahí están los cuatro de atrás.
I want to see the ones in the bottom. I mean the back.
Ya, está así. Sí, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo los ves?
I want to see the ones in the back.
Hey.
But I guess we'll see it when they're on there, huh?
Mira nomás.
Están pesados. Congratulations.
Están pesadísimos.
Congratulations.
Pues ahora vamos a quemar zapatos.
All right, well, tomorrow we're going to Mexico, so.
Ya. Nos vamos a México.